Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mentor. In this video I'm going to share with you new project which I got on Upwork. The work was very simple. Basically my client sent me one person detail. He said that you have to find this person work email address. So the work was very simple, and let me show you the client instruction first, and then I will work on this project and I will show you how I have worked on that. So basically here you can see this was the client instruction. He said that I need help identifying the working email of one person. The name is below with the link of the company website. So here is the company name basically, and this is the CEO, and here is the sorry, here is the name of the person, okay, and this is the website. Okay, so now we have to collect this person email from this website, and he paid me $5 by doing this simple work. And he said that you have to find working email address, not personal, because sometimes people make mistake, and that whenever they are doing this kind of work, they find personal email address which are not correct, because you have to follow the client instruction which he's told you. Like in this case, he said that you have to find working email address for this person. So to do this project, as what you need to do, first you have to copy the link which the client provided me. This is the company website and URL. So I just copy this website URL, and now I have just pasted here in Google. Okay, after pasting on Google, guys, now we have to find this company CEO name, and also the name are already provided, but now we have to find this person email address. So to do that, guys, you have to click here in about us. Okay, so if you click on about us, here you can see executive team. So you have just to click on executive team, because the most of data are available here. So now if I come down here, now you can see there are many person data are available. But if I come down at the end of this page, so here you can see this is the person name, and here the title of this person. So let me show you once again. Here you can see this is the person name and CEO, and this for the company. So guys, so now you can see the email address are not available here. So what you need to do for this kind of purpose, if you want to find the email address of any CEO, so guys, you have just to copy this data from here, like the title in the person name. Okay, after that you have to after that you have to search Google for executive officer. So just click on that. Okay, after clicking on that, guys, now you can see we have found the first page. So you can see the so here is the the person name, you can see, and here is the CEO. So if I just open this, okay, so if I open this the first page, guys, so now you can see this is the person. Let's see the person. So this is the person name, guys, but if I just see the person other detail, so let's wait for, okay guys, so now you can see, guys, here this is the person name. But if I see the person if I just see the person company, so let's see, guys, here is the this is the person email address. Here you can see the business email address. But if I see here the person company, you can see at the end he had add is company domain name, but the the person is not matching with our company, because if you see here, guys, the company, this person company is this one. You can see this is the company name, but if you see that this person is not matching with the person which we are looking for. Okay, so it means we have to not collect this person data. It's very important, guys, whenever you're doing internet research project or data entry, any kind of work, so you should to be careful. You should to know the process. You should to be careful. You shouldn't to have collect any wrong information from to your client, because if you do that, it's maybe not good for you in a future project, because the client will not hire you again if you do any kind of invalid data for your client. Okay, so if I just open this person profile, so let's see if this person profile are matching with it. I hope this person will be correct. Okay, so guys, now let's see, we have just to cut this person. Okay, and the other person profile are opening, guys. So now if we see, just guys, you can see here this is the executive, and let's see, this is the company name. Okay, so I just copy this company name from here, guys. I just copy this company name, and if I just click Control plus F, Control plus V, guys, so now you can see the person, the company name are matching with this person. This is the company name, here is also the company name. So it's mean this person is correct. Okay, so now we have to copy this person, now we have to find this person email address. So to find the person email address, guys, we have to use the tool Kendo. Okay, so here this is the free tool, guys. I mean, this tool give you 100 credit for one Gmail account, so you can use it. I'm also using that for many project. I have used this tool, so I can also recommend you that you can use this tool. It's a free tool, guys. It's provide you 100 credit. So guys, what you need to do now, you have just to click on that. Okay, so I just click on that and I just find this person email address, and now I have just pasted here, and then I send it to my client, the person email address. Okay guys, so that's very simple. So if you want to do if you want to learn more about this kind of project, you can also watch my other videos which I have already shared in this YouTube channel, Easy Mentor. You can follow that. I'm also virtual assistant. I'm providing this service on Upwork and Fiverr.com, lead generation, data entry, and web research. So if you want to learn more about this, you can also subscribe my YouTube channel. So this was the project, guys. Very simple. The client pay me $5 by doing the simple work, and I just find this person working immediately for him. So anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I will meet you in another tutorial. So see you later.